If you know anything about off-road SUVs, you've heard the name Isuzu Trooper, a rugged, reliable, and underrated beast that has built a loyal fan base over the years. But in 2025, where does the Trooper stand? Will we see a comeback, or is it now just a legendary relic of the past? Let's dive into the latest news, upcoming plans, and what the future holds for this classic off-roader. Now here's a question. Why is the Isuzu Trooper still making headlines in 2025? Even though the last production model rolled out in 2002, it remains one of the most respected SUVs in the used car market. Recent reports show a surge in interest, with Trooper prices climbing due to increased demand for classic 4ARC4s. Some mint-condition Troopers, especially the second-gen models, 1991-2002, are fetching upwards of $15,000, a massive jump compared to just a few years ago. But why is this happening? One reason is the ongoing off-road SUV boom. With overlanding and off-grid adventures becoming more popular, people are looking for rugged, simple, and dependable vehicles. And what's better than a body-on-frame, solid-axle SUV with true 4WD capabilities? The Trooper checks all these boxes, making it a hidden gem in the overlanding world. Enthusiasts are modifying these beasts with lift kits, off-road tires, snorkels, and roof racks, turning them into unstoppable adventure rigs. But here's the big question. Is there any chance Isuzu will bring back the Trooper? While Isuzu has shifted its focus to commercial trucks and diesel engines, rumors are swirling about a possible partnership with an electric vehicle company, with brands like Land Rover reviving the Defender and Toyota doubling down on the Land Cruiser. And Isuzu Trooper comeback isn't entirely out of the question. Some sources speculate that Isuzu might rebrand an existing platform, potentially using technology from its D-Max pickup to create a new off-road ready SUV. Another interesting development is the growing popularity of Trooper restomods. Companies specializing in restoring and upgrading old SUVs have started offering fully rebuilt Troopers with modern engines, interior tech, and even hybrid conversions. In Japan, where the Trooper was sold as the Isuzu Bighorn, collectors are bringing them back to life with state-of-the-art upgrades. So, what does all this mean for Trooper fans in 2025? If you own one, hold on to it, because values are only going up. If you're looking to buy, now is the time before prices climb even higher. And if Isuzu decides to bring back the Trooper, it could shake up the off-road market in a big way. Make sure to subscribe for more updates on classic SUVs, off-roading, and automotive news. Drop a comment if you think the Trooper should make a comeback, and let's keep this legendary name alive.